everybody, and welcome to the Rim Vlog. On today's episode of the Rim Vlog, it's Thanksgiving. This Thanksgiving, we're gonna do things a little differently. Nicole, her mom, and I are gonna do a 5K run this morning in about a half hour or so. I've been up since about 5:45. I had to go down and get a catch of the sunrise with the drone. So I'm just heading back now, see if Nicole's up yet, maybe get a little bit of coffee in me, and get ready to run a 5K race until I can get back home and get the turkey going. All right. Thanks. And I'm good to go.
Straight down the street. If you're a 5K runner, you're finished as soon as you get to this line. Alright, are you ready? Ready! On your mark. Get set. Go! Have a great run. Good job. Have fun, have fun, have fun.
It's Thanksgiving. Welcome to the Rim Vlog. I think I'm in like 5th place right now. Hey Nicole, where are you? You gotta catch up, Nicole. We already talked about this. All right, I'm checking in at mile 1 right now. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Nicole, where are you? Where are you, Nicole? Catch up, Nicole. Come on. Come on, Nicole. So I'm about the halfway point now. I'm doing a great pace. I got Rocky on the headphones, and I think I'm in 4th place. And Nicole, where are you? Where are you? There she is. We're at the 2-mile mark. Pace is great. We're about to get back over the bridge. See you in a mile. Except for you, Nicole. Where are you at? I just reached the 3-mile mark and I can see the finish line. And Nicole is nowhere near. So you lose again, Nicole. I'm at the finish line. I think I finished like 4th or 5th. Way better than I expected. Nicole and her mom are, well, they're nowhere in sight. They're about 30 miles down the road. Come on, Welches, what's up? And I'm about to receive a prize.
Well done. That was a
Thank
good
you.
run. Good finish.
Appreciate it. Do you happen to know like what place it is right now?
Probably 4.
3rd.
Oh,
Thank you. How about that? 38 years old. Finished 3rd. I finished 3rd. That's pretty good, right? I gotta give myself props for that. So here's Nicole. She finally caught up. I was talking a little bit of shit, but here she is.
I did good.
965 coming through. Well, there it is. It doesn't say 3rd place, but take my word for it. I finished in 3rd place. 38 years old and still pulling miracles? What? Let's go home and cook a turkey.